For PXE OS installation, we required one server. We will do some configuration. We required some ISO files. Then we will connect our server to a switch. After that, you will connect all of your endpoints to that switch. And then you will be able to install any OS in the network. In this video series, I will show you how can you deploy any OS in the network. In this video, I will show you how to boot Clonezilla ISO file over the network. I have mentioned all the steps here. We will follow these steps and boot the ISO file over the network. The first step is we will download server software, Clonezilla ISO file, server.inf file, and initrt.cz file. So as you can see, I have downloaded these files already. Step number 1 is completed. Step number 2, we will assign an IP address on our main system. We will use this command. I am using 10.1.1.1. Step number 2 is completed. Step number 3, we will disable the system firewall. We will use this command. Step number 3 is completed. Step number 4, we will create a directory in D drive and set the name root. Step number 4 is completed. Step number 5, we will open server software and configure it. This is our server software. We will extract this file and start server64.exe. Click on top left icon, go to settings, click on TFTP servers, bind the server IP address, click on browse and select the root directory. Go to dhcp tab, dhcp server, click on BINL, bind the server IP address. Here we will assign the full size 10.1.1.1.2 and here we will type 10. Subnet mask, I am using 255.0.0.0. Rest of the things I am using 10.1.1. Click on OK and close this application. Then we will restart the application. You can see it created a couple of files in the root directory. We will close this application and close this window. Step number 4 is completed. Step number 6, we will save this directory and wa_pxe with this name. We will go to the directory. This is the directory. Right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing. Share this folder and change the name here. Click on OK and close. We have completed step number 6. Step number 7, we will create a directory under this directory nwa_pxe and set the name OS. Here we will create the directory and set the name OS. You can set any name here. We have completed step number 7. Step number 8. We will create a user with name server and set this password. We will use this command. Go to users and create a user with this name server and set the password AVRES. Step number 8 is completed. Step number 9, we will extract the ISO file and copy server.inf file to the OS directory. So here we have the ISO file. Right click, extract, and select the OS directory. Now we will copy this server.inf file, copy and paste into OS directory here. Step number 9 is completed. Step number 10, we will copy this inrt.gz file and paste into this directory os/live. Okay, this is the file. Copy D drive root PXE OS and here live. Here we will paste that file. Close this window. Step number 10 is completed. Step number 11, we will start the server application and try to boot from network. This is our server application. So I am using VirtualBox for client machine. Here I have created one test machine. We will turn on this machine. So as you can see, this machine is trying to boot from network now. We will get this boot menu. We will press enter here. You will select the language here, press enter. So as you can see, we are successfully able to boot from the network, and we can use this feature. These all are related to partitions and disk. You can clone your disk, you can take backup of your partition, you can erase your disk, you can use all of the features related to disk here. So we have successfully completed step number 11. Step number 12 is for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share it. I will create more videos on this topic. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.